We must have seen and heard in many movies about mutation. Well, it's not just fiction, it occurs in real world, but not the way you may have thought. So today I'm gonna show you how mutation works in just 2 minutes. Before we jump into the mutation, let's learn the basic. Every human or organism has a specified number of cells, and each cell has chromosomes, and in these chromosomes has DNA, which basically the basis of life. Every DNA is made of several strands of it, which shows characteristics of humans, which we call genes. Meaning a bunch of DNA strands is called genes based on the characteristics it shows to human, like some will show how tall a person will be and so on. Now let's talk about how these genes are made. We as a human has two parents. We discussed about it in our previous video. So two parents does have two different genes. When you're born, a mix of these genes are introduced on you. We won't dig much, but it doesn't like mixing salt and water. It is more like if we join two conveyor belts to each other, and each conveyor belt has some genes on it, and these genes has traits that shows to human. Most of the time the gene that comes from two parents intermix to create a new gene set. Every gene and every strand of DNA does not change but actually change the position when they mix together, making different traits most of the time. This is also a reason why we can't see any identical of you in the whole world, because the randomness of these strands are so unlikely that we will see yourself in the crowd. But sometimes genes don't just get mixed, they change. What I mean by changing is the strands change. It doesn't matter what your parent gene was. This changed gene will be completely new and not found in your parents. This change in gene suddenly is what we know is mutation. Well, it does actually help a lot of organisms to survive. For example, during industrialization, the white moth was endangered and about to extinct, but they survived because one of them mutated to have gene to show black or brown color, which camouflaged them in industrial smoke. And mutation is one of the things that kept on saving us, the humans. So until the next something video, keep hitting your blinds.